Okay, first of all, you need an iPhone X or above, and the iPhone must be LLA. That's US version. After getting your iPhone with LLA, what you need to do next is come to settings. After you set up your iCloud and everything, you come to your settings. This will be this one. Come to your iCloud settings. Come to media and purchases, view accounts. Then you this country/region, change your your address to United States. You have to input the address manually and save it. After you save it, you click on done. After you've done that, you come to your app store, you search for Capital One Shopping. Capital One Shopping. When you see the app, that means your region has been changed. If not, you have to go back and check it again. Then after that, you come to your VPN, you connect your VPN. Okay, my VPN is going connected. You come to, I'll send the link in the group. You click on this link. And you click on this link to take you to your app store. After it taking you to the app store, you download the app. After you download the app, you close your app store. You come back to Safari. You click on this place. You click on manage extension. Then you turn on Capital One Shopping. Turn on like this. Done. Then you click on it again to allow on every website to show you setup completed. My own has already been set up. That's why it's not showing it. So you click on done. After you've done that, you can maybe click on the link again, or you can go back to your app store and just open the app. Since you've already activated your extension, if you see this icon, that means your extension is on. If not, your extension is not on. So you come back to the app, open the app, allow, continue, input the email you want to use. As for me, I'm using this. Allow, continue to shipping, continue, select one or two here. You can also skip it. Turn on notification, allow. They will send an email. Then you click on this second one here. They send email instructions. They'll send you 2 messages to your Gmail accounts. Where is the Gmail? After they send you 2, that means you've done with your registration. After you are done, you close the Gmail app. That's all for one account. So now if you want to do another account, you have to delete the app, the Capital One Shopping app. You remove the app. When you've removed the app, then you come to settings, click on Safari, search for Safari. Then you clear your history and website data. After you've cleared it, then you disconnect your VPN and connect it again. Then you repeat the process. You just download the app using the link. I will send the link in the group using this link. When you download the app using this link, you don't need to turn on your extension anymore. You just download the app, open the app, and then input your email and do the process. After you are done, that's all. You can do 2 accounts or 1 account in a day. Just make sure you do like at least 20 accounts, because the payment is, I think, in between 6 to 8 payments per phone. Sometimes you might be lucky, you might get more than that. And if your payment has stopped dropping, you can try wiping your phone. After you wipe the phone and you do it again, they might pay you. And if they don't pay you, then you have to change the phone and use another phone. The payment drops within 14 days. From what's it called? Minimum of 14 days for payment to drop. After your payment has dropped, you can DM me. I buy the gift card. So that's all.